Good morning. Oh, if I could find the time here. I am finding the time. It's about 11:20 in the morning. And I already said it. Good morning. Well, I didn't take any more days to do any more filming the last 2 days. Because what was I doing? I was getting the air conditioner. It just finally came in. And when I was tracking this beauty, well, it's an air conditioner, but she is a beauty. It's from LG. And say I already unboxed it. Got some equipment up here. Energy guide, looking outside. Picnic tables. Well, anyway, I found out when I was tracking this package all the way from Reno, Nevada, this took a trip on Route 66. You know that famous route. I have to get there sometime. Let me adjust my glasses here. But anyways, it's all good. I needed this. I have one in the other office I've been working in. Right now, I'm in the kitchen. As you can see, here's the kitchen. Right here, we have these new type, and look, it looks like a hidden Mickey right here. Everything is electric, and the good thing about it, electricity is included. We have this style outlet here, you know, with the perpendicular, but I had to go in and get this style right here. And if you must know, we definitely had a pizza party, but no contact was given. We just came in, got the food individually with mask on and gloves, so a person can come in, get their food, and then take off. But now, since this came in, oh yeah, it comes with the remote. It only uses one battery, and that's good. So eventually I can switch over to the rechargeable battery so it lasts longer. So this is a 15,000 BTU, and it's going to really chill this place down. So if you look at the temperature up here, both inside and out, the date isn't quite set on it yet. But it is 82, 83-ish. Yeah, there's hey, I was looking for that. There's the safety straps. I don't know if I ever brought this into the mix. The old style. It was the last style, first style of the HE television in reverse. We like these because these were actually easier on the eyes because it was bounced back. But that was just an update. I'll get some more updates there for you when they become available. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And remember, your Freshka and drink a lot of water. You're going to need it.